What is data binding in Angular? Data binding in Angular is how we connect the components TypeScript logic with the HTML template so that changes in one reflect in the other. Angular supports four main types of data binding. Interpolation for displaying dynamic values in the UI. Property binding to bind DOM element property like image src or disabled state. Event binding to handle user actions like clicks or input changes. Two-way binding combines property and event binding, mostly used in forms for real-time sync between UI and model. In my projects, I often use interpolation and property binding for displaying dynamic data, and two-way binding in the template-driven form. For reactive forms, I bind values using form control instead. Data binding plays a key role in keeping the UI responsive and in sync with the data layer. It is one of the reasons Angular is powerful for building dynamic single page applications.